Good evening, brave souls, and welcome to the Denali Oktoberfest. Does the microbiome scare you? Are you afraid that it might attack you? Be afraid unless you follow our 5-step program for wellness. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Let's go. The first step is to ward off the ghoulish gut gremlins that are in your gut, the microbiome monsters that are making you sick. When our microbiome is out of balance, these monsters produce toxins and chemicals that make us feel bloated. They destroy our nerve tissue. You have to feed your friendly phantoms with super powerful fermented foods, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and kefir. These foods really enable your body
to get rid of the microbiome monsters
and feed the phantom friendlies. Let's go.
The next is a secret potion of Magic Brew that just got spilled all over. Yes! At the beginning of the day, witches prepare their morning brew. And you too can start your day with our Magic Morning drink. Warm water, a squeeze of lemon, a dash of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of baking soda, and sweeten with a healthy sweetener to your taste. It's amazing. It gets your digestive system going and really helps you burn fat. That's exciting. If you want to know specifics, comment below and we'll send you the exact recipe for our Magic Morning drink. Number 3, if you eat under stress, it changes the way that your gut works. That cortisol is changing. It invites chaos into your system. Why? Because cortisol changes the way you digest food. It's really devastating. So do not eat under stress. Do not eat before bedtime. Number 4, a balanced salt. If you get too much of a good thing, it can be a bad thing and it can cause disaster. This is true with salt, and we all hear about low salt, low salt, low salt. Salt is a wonderful purifier. Your body can handle higher doses of salts, but the bad microbiome, the parasites, the fungus, they can't. So it's a powerful way for you to help eliminate those from your body. Number 5, avoid frankenfats and frankenfoods. These are highly processed foods. Can you believe that at one time they were actually considered healthy? These are devastating to your overall health. They change your membranes. They really add to your visceral fat, the bad, unhealthy fat that's in your gut. Avoid these at all costs. There are healthy fats. And if you want my list of the top 5 healthy fats, comment below and we'll forward that to you. Although these 5 things are super important, they don't address the truth, the reality of long-term gut health. Most people have issues with fungus, parasites, chronic viruses that are in their system that actually hold their system hostage. They change the way you process your food. They're responsible for the chronic disease, the dysfunction of the microbiome. They change how this all works and integrate together. If you want to sustain long-term changes, you're going to have to address chronic viruses, fungi, and parasites that I guarantee are in your system. The challenge again, most people just take things like antiparasitics and so forth. They establish this network and then wrap themselves in biofilm. This is like a snot ball, if you will. And then the antibiotics, the chemicals, the processes to try to eliminate the viruses, fungi, parasites, and bad bacteria can't get in. Therefore, you're taking all these medications with their side effects, or these supplements with their side effects with no residual benefit to you. We have to develop a comprehensive program to go after the gut in a very logical and sequential way. And we have that with our gut reset program. With any program, when you're trying to reset or rejuvenate a system inside the body, there's a lot of questions. Frequently asked questions. Now, I'll say one that I've never heard is, can I add a dash of ghost pepper for flavor? Wow, no. That said, you've probably heard of cayenne pepper or other peppers that can be helpful in restoring your gut health. And yes, they can. Here's the issue. They actually interact with what's called the capsaicin receptor. That's a receptor that helps decrease inflammation. You think, peppers decreasing inflammation? It's true. However, when you're so sick that that has the chance to leak into other areas of your gut, don't do it. A very important thing to consider and think about is, will any of these 5 steps interrupt my Crohn's disease treatment or my IBS or make symptoms worse, etc.? Well, these treatments are foundational. They're at the base. They establish this core bottom source of really, again, a foundation where you can build your health and wellness in a powerful way. So no, they will not make your symptoms worse. They will not make your disease worse. They are designed to help you actually get better. So there you have it. What I hope you've taken from this, our 5-step Spooky Microbiome Makeover, is make it part of your process. Make it something you do every day. And if you can't throw them all together on day one, just get started with number 1. These actually are listed in order of importance. So get to it and do one thing every day. Now, I want to thank you for joining us on this gut-friendly ghost story. I hope you remember to keep those gut goblins happy, get rid of the bad monsters of your microbiome, and stay tuned. We're going to explore more information about the gut as we move forward, how it's going to connect to mood, the gut-brain axis. We've got a lot of information for you. Please reach out and connect with us. Send us an email. Get on our website. Subscribe. You really want to connect with this content. It's going to change your life. Shoot the water. Fix it, our 5-step fix it. I put up 4. Or it can be your best friend. Let's go. It's amazing. Let's go. Yeah, and I get into a Pakistani at the end.